Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Joby Gorillapod 3K kit. Theirs comes in a lot of different varieties, 1K, 3K, 5K, all that, but I'm doing a review of the 3K. I've only owned this for a few weeks now, and I have to say that it is a really good pod. All joking aside though, I don't know how I ever got by without it. This thing is awesome. I mean, you can use it to sit it flat on the ground or on a table, put your camera on it. You can wrap it around a tree limb. You can wrap it around a fence post. The head moves all kinds of different directions, so wherever you put it, you can have your camera sitting straight. It's just awesome. I use it for vlogging, so I can hold it out and hold my camera. Just great. Joby did a great job. I'm definitely not sorry I bought this. I should have bought one sooner. By the way, Joby is not paying me to say this. I'm not getting anything free for saying it. It's just a really good product. Let me take you outside and show you some of what it can do. Okay, now that we've seen some of what the Joby Gorillapod can do, I think everybody that owns a camera should get one of these if you ever plan on needing a tripod at all. Now, this won't meet the purposes of everything you want to do with a tripod. I mean, sometimes you're going to need a big tripod, but for probably 80% of what you're going to do with a tripod, if you're vlogging or doing anything like that, this will be great. Even a lot of times with landscape photography, you can use this and wrap it around something and set your camera up so it'll sit still. It's just, it has so many purposes, so many uses. So, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click like. And if you're not already, subscribe so that you'll be notified when I make new videos, and I will see you next time.